The railroad, a vital means of transport where continuity and punctuality are essential. When maintenance or construction work is necessary on or near the tracks, this must be done without disrupting timetables. The stability of the tracks depends on a solid and even ballast. Instability may be caused by gaps underneath the sleeper. Another cause of instability may be an uneven surface, especially on new tracks, as it takes time for the ballast to settle. Restoring the stability of the ballast locally within areas of up to a maximum of 30 meters can be done in an efficient way with Atlas Copco's CobraTT. This petrol-driven breaker can be carried on and off the track quickly by an individual operator. The portability and independence of the CobraTT make it ideal for speedy interventions without the need to close the track. Tie tamping is done by two operators, tamping on opposite sides to avoid pushing ballast over from one side of the sleeper to another. Operating two Cobras opposite each other effectively pushes the ballast under the sleeper upwards to fill the gaps or compensate for an uneven surface. To achieve the desired effect, it's important not to work at too steep an angle, because that would cause the tool to go too deep and destroy the ballast platform. The tamper should never penetrate deeper than twice the width of the tool head. This usually means the operator will only tie tamp for about 2 to 3 seconds in one place before moving on. This rate is sufficient to create a new platform for the sleeper. The CobraTT is specially designed for ballast compaction. The percussive output is adapted for optimal tie tamping. There's no risk of destroying the ballast platform or pulverizing the stones. Thanks to the portability and flexibility of the CobraTT, narrow areas between the rails are easy to reach. Some types of sleepers are embedded deeply into the ground. The CobraTT reaches underneath concrete or other sleepers without difficulty and without the need for ballast removal. The CobraTT offers reliability and easy starting in all working conditions. The Atlas Copco hand and arm protection system achieves a very low vibration level through a unique, patented leaf spring design. Besides tie tamping, other maintenance work on tracks, crossings, access roads or in railway stations is easily done with the CobraTT. A change of tool and the Cobra is ready for cutting asphalt. It's also useful for trench digging, alongside or across the track, in hard or frozen ground, or to clear out runoff ditches. For surface tamping after filling of trenches, or for breaking out old concrete foundations, such as an old signal base. Whatever the application, one petrol-driven breaker takes care of it all. For tie tamping and other maintenance jobs, the CobraTT is right on track. It allows for quick interventions, keeps the traffic moving, and ensures that the timetables are met.